Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Chargebee for subscription billing and no-code detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the Chargebee website. On the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. This will take you to a sign-up page. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. After filling in the required fields, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox for this verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will direct you to set up your Chargebee account. Fill in your organization's name and pick your preferred currency. Once you have completed these fields, click on the Continue button. Now, you will be taken to the Chargebee dashboard. From here, look for the Billing section on the left-hand menu. Click on Billing to access different billing options. Next, select Plans to create your subscription plans. Hit the Create Plan button to start setting up a new plan. Enter a name for your subscription plan along with the price and billing frequency. Choose additional options as per your requirements, such as trial period or add-ons. After setting up the details, click on Save to finalize the plan. Now, go back to the dashboard and navigate to the Customers section. Fill in the necessary details, including the customer's name and email address. Select the subscription plan you created earlier for this customer. Once everything is filled in, click on Save Customer. To confirm that the subscription is active, check the Subscriptions tab within the. You should see the new subscription listed there with its status. For further customization, explore the various features in the Chargebee dashboard. You can set up invoices, analytics, and email notifications under their respective sections. Finally, take a moment to review all settings to ensure everything meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.